How to unfriend someone in Blood Strike. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Blood Strike and want to unfriend someone, it is super simple and easy. First of all, launch open the Blood Strike game on your device, and from the lobby screen, go ahead and click on your Friends tab at the top right corner. This will bring you to the Friends tab where you need to go ahead and select your friend you want to unfriend. Once you find the friend, look for this trash can icon in the pop-up card, click on that and click OK to confirm. Now the person will be deleted from your friend list. If you ever change your mind, you can usually send them the friend request again later. So that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.